Good morning children. In this video we are going to discuss Samacheer Geography Grade 7 Unit 1 Interior of the Earth. See children, see this watermelon. It has three parts, that is green, white and red. The structure of the earth may be compared to a watermelon. See like this, the earth also have three parts. This is the upper layer where you are living. It is crust, mantle and core. The core is divided into inner core and outer core. Crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Its thickness varies from 5 to 30 kilometers. The crust is divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. The mantle. The next layer beneath the crust is called mantle. The core. The innermost layer of the earth is called the core. The outer core, which is rich in iron, is in liquid state. The inner core, composed of nickel and ferrous, is solid in state. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. See children, endogenic forces produce sudden movements and exogenic forces produce slow movements. Let us discuss endogenic forces, that is earthquake. A sudden movement of a portion of the earth crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. See children, see here the place where the earthquake starts, the point where these vibrations originate is called the focus of the earthquake. The point of the earth's surface directly above the focus is called epicenter. See, this is epicenter. This point we are calling as a focus. This is epicenter. From the focus, the earthquake vibrations travel in different directions, that we are calling it as a seismic waves. See, these are, we are calling it as a seismic waves. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. The number on the scale range 0 to 9. Yes. Let us discuss some of the causes and effects of earthquake. When we are talking about causes, the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth crust along fractures or faults. The sudden shifting of land masses, sometimes the surface of the earth itself cracks. What are the effects? Vibration often set landsliding, falling of building, houses collapse, underground water naturally disturbed. These are the effects of the earthquake. Next, endogenic forces, we are calling this volcanoes. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which hot magma erupts for deep below the surface. See children, this we are calling as a magma chamber. The magma chamber is a hot liquid fire. Due to the pressure of the earth or some other reasons, the magma may come to the surface, that we are calling it as a main vent. While coming out, it may divide into secondary cone or secondary vent like this. When this magma comes out, we are calling it as a lava. The place, the opening is like a bowl, we are calling it as a crater. When the lava comes out, it changes into ash and fire liquid. See children, there are three types of volcano. Active volcano. Volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes. These volcanoes have shown no sign of activity for many years, but they become active at any time. These are called sleeping volcanoes. Extinct volcano. A volcano has not erupted in past 1000 years is often listed as extinct volcano. In the world, the distribution of the volcanoes are divided into three: circum-Pacific belt. It includes the volcano of the eastern and western coastal areas of Pacific Ocean. This is popularly known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Mid-continental belt. This is the volcanic zone convergent continental plate boundaries. Mid-Atlantic belt. This belt represents the divergent boundary of plates located along the Mid-Atlantic ridge. Thank you children. Will be